Today, we embark on a journey to explore the land of personal branding and networking, essential facets of a successful career in web development. In this lecture, we'll delve into the significance of building a strong personal brand, the art of networking, and how ChatGPT can be your vital ally in this endeavor. Why personal branding matters. Your personal brand is your digital identity. It's what sets you apart in the vast sea of web developers. A strong personal brand not only showcases your technical skills but also reflects your unique personality and values. It's the key to making a lasting impression on potential employers, collaborators, and the wider web development community. Key elements of personal branding. 1. Crafting a consistent online presence. Use ChatGPT to refine your bio, social media profiles, and portfolio. For instance, ask ChatGPT for suggestions on creating a compelling Twitter bio or a captivating LinkedIn headline. 2. Showcasing your work. Ask ChatGPT for advice on presenting your projects. For instance, inquire about effective ways to describe your projects on your portfolio website or how to create engaging project documentation. Three, blogging and content creation. Seek ChatGPT's guidance on generating ideas for blog posts related to web development trends, challenges, or solutions. Use ChatGPT to enhance the clarity and engagement of your written content. The power of networking. Networking is the bridge that connects you to opportunities, mentors, and like-minded professionals. ChatGPT can be your virtual networking companion, helping you initiate conversations, draft impactful messages, and establish meaningful connections. Effective networking with ChatGPT. 1. Initiating conversations. Ask ChatGPT for tips on crafting personalized and effective introduction messages on professional networking platforms. For example, seek guidance on starting a conversation with a fellow developer or reaching out to potential mentors. 2. Building your online tribe. Utilize ChatGPT to brainstorm ideas for engaging social media posts. Ask for advice on fostering a community around your interests, whether it's through a Discord server, a Twitter chat, or any other platform. 3. Staying informed and relevant. Interact with ChatGPT to stay updated on the latest trends, tools, and discussions in the web development community. For instance, ask for recommendations on must follow blogs, podcasts, or forums. By incorporating ChatGPT into your personal branding and networking efforts, you are not just a web developer. You are a web developer with a powerful digital presence and a network that propels you towards success.